Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are happy and fine. So students, continue with our online classes. Today I am going to teach you Social Studies lesson 11. So let's start our lesson 11, Weather and Climate. So students, in this lesson we are going to study what is weather, what is climate, and what is the difference between weather and climate, what are the factors influencing the climate, what are seasons, what are the different kinds of seasons of India, and so on. Is it going to rain today? Will it be bright and sunny today? How many times have we heard this from anxious cricket fans speculating the fate of a one-day cricket match? As we all know, nowadays cricket matches are going on and the match is fully depend on the weather, because if it is rain then the game will be ruined. So we hear about weather and climate all the time. Most of us check the local weather forecast to plan our days. And climate change is certainly much discussed topic in the news. So if we plan to go somewhere, first of all we have to check the weather, whether it is rainy day or sunny day, which type of clothes we have to take with us. So all these things depend on the weather. So students, weather is the hour to hour and day to day condition of the atmosphere. Weather is what you see outside on a particular day. So, for example, it may be 40 degrees Celsius or 20 degrees Celsius. A 40 degrees Celsius would be a hot day, whereas a 20 degrees Celsius would be a pleasant day. So students, as you can see on your screen, the first picture here is the season of the summer season. So in India, we are having different seasons: autumn, winter, summer, rainy, spring. So here in the first picture, we can see the summer season. Children are enjoying the full sunny day and they are having the swimming also. So in the second picture, you can see the rainy season. Students are enjoying the rainy season in their fullest. And in the third picture, you can see the winter season. So winter season, there is no sun all over, the mist is there, the chill is there, and so in this way in India we enjoy the different kinds of season, and it all include in the weather only. So students, now you understood what is weather. The answer is hour to hour and day to day condition of atmosphere is called weather. What is weather? Hour to hour and day to day condition of atmosphere is called weather. Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are happy and fine. So students, continue with our online classes. Today I am going to teach you Social Studies lesson 11. Now students, let's study the difference between weather and climate. So now we know what is weather and what is climate. So what is weather? Weather is hour to hour and day to day conditions of the atmosphere. Whereas climate, what is climate? Climate is the average weather condition of a place over a long period of time. Okay, so now let's begin the first difference between weather and climate. So the first difference is weather describes the atmospheric conditions for a place over a short period of time. That means weather describes the atmospheric conditions for a place over a short period of time. Whereas climate describes the atmospheric condition of a region over a long period of time. The second is atmosphere conditions change within the short spell of time. Suppose right now we are having the rainy season outside and we are enjoying the rain, and after 1 hour or after half an hour or after 10 minutes the rain can be stopped and we can see the sun and we can enjoy the sunny day. But climate is generally termed as the average of the weather conditions of a region that cannot change for the short period, that cannot be changed in the short time. It takes long period of time to change the climate. Okay, the third point is weather covers a small area. So weather always covers a small area and climate covers a large area comparatively. So small areas get together or join together to become a large area. So weather always covers a small area and climate always covers a large area comparatively. Number fourth point is weather data is collected by weather instruments, whereas climate data is calculated and recorded over a period of 35 years. That means climate data is calculated and recorded over a period of 35 years. That means it is calculating per year, but the change of the weather can be only calculated in 35 years, whereas weather data is collected by the weather instruments and it can be collected daily or in the hours, 1 hour after the other hour, or in the monthly. So it can be collected on the daily basis also. Okay. Now students, the next question comes, difference between weather and climate. Now I think that you are able to give me the answer. So first of all, we will know what is the first difference. Weather describes the atmospheric conditions of a place over a short period of time, whereas climate describes the atmospheric condition of a region over a long period of time. That means weather is showing the short period of time and climate is the atmospheric condition of a region over a long period of time. Weather is a short period of time and climate is showing the atmospheric condition for a long period of time. Number 2, atmosphere conditions change within short spell of time. So in weather, it might be raining right now, and after 5 minutes or 10 minutes it will stop raining and the bright sun can be appeared on the sky. So that means atmosphere conditions change within short spell of time, but climate is generally termed as the average of weather conditions of a region and it cannot be changed over a short period of time. Number 3, weather covers a small area whereas climate covers a large area comparatively. Number 4, weather data is collected by weather instruments. It can be collected daily, but whereas climate data is calculated and recorded over a period of 35 years. Okay. Now we are going to study factors influencing the climate. Some of the factors influencing the climate are mentioned below. The first one is temperature. Number 2, distance from the equator. Number 3, height from the sea level. Number 4, distance from the sea. Number 5, directions of winds. Number 6, humidity and rainfall. Number 7, ocean currents. So these are some of the factors influencing the climate. So now let's study them in detail. So students, the question number 3 is, write a short note on the factors influencing the climate of a region. So the answer is, the factors influencing the climate of a region are, the first one is temperature. Number 2, distance from the equator. Number 3, height from the sea level. Number 4, distance from the sea. Number 5, directions of winds. Number 6, humidity and rainfall. And number 7 is ocean currents. Now all these factors influence the climate of a region. Thank you for enjoying the video. Now students, we will meet in the second part of chapter number 11, Weather and Climate, part 2. Till then, read the lesson carefully twice and do the question number 1, 2 and 3 in your copies.